2013 Linhai-Yamaha Bighorn 400cc independent rear suspension, automatic CVT with high and low range, water cooled aluminum alloy wheels, front winch bracket, 4 bright LED headlights, cigarette lighter for your 12-volt outsource, 28 horsepower, top speed of 50 miles an hour. Have a computerized dash, manual choke, digital dash, speedometer, tripometer, hour meter, push button, 4-wheel drive, rear view mirrors. All comes standard in your standard 2013 Linhai 400cc independent rear suspension ATV.